So, to give a brief summary, in a conventional power supply we have the electron input, high voltage protection, some components for filtering, voltage reduction and rectification, the last voltage regulators, which will be creating a regulated and constant voltage for us. An additional element that can be found is a resistance. If you find any resistance, the function is to slightly dampen the voltage that feeds the 7805. You may find some resistance in that area, such as the one I will show you now. This is a large resistance. We will talk about resistances later, how to measure their values, and how to replace them. Very well, so far we have covered this conventional power supply. We will continue to advance with slightly more complex topics.